Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Bob, CEO and founder of Cryptoikonmedia, and you are watching Crypto Icon, a show where I talk about everything around crypto, Web3, and blockchain technology. So today we will take a look at some more major crypto news and some hot updates. But please note that I'm not a financial advisor; it is just for information and entertainment. So let's go for it. But before that, I'm just going to talk about current market price. So today's cryptocurrency price by market cap, the, the global crypto market cap is $828.04 billion. It's around 0.62% decrease over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $83.60 billion, which makes 70.16% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $4.59 billion. It's around 5.49% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoin is now $78.61 billion, which is 94.03% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin dominance is currently 38.18%, a decrease of 0.02% over the last day. And right now, Bitcoin price is $16,615, and Ethereum price is $1,242. In the BNB price, it's $277. So let's go for the today's news, and I got this news from the ambcrypto.com. So I just want to give this credit to ambcrypto.com. In the heading, it's could Uniswap be winner of the week with this light change in transaction? Uniswap appreciated by 7.06% in the last 24 hours, a rise that might be related to our recent whale transactions, according to whale tracking platform Whale Alert. On 12th November, about $50 million was moved to and from an unknown wallet. The automated liquidity protocol tokens had remained stuck in the $5.50 region for most of that day. However, Uniswap concurred with the Green's action a few hours after the update. According to CoinMarketCap, the cryptocurrency hit $6.04 before declining to $5.84 at press time. On evaluating on-chain data, sentiment revealed that the transaction was one of many whale transfers that occurred of late. The on-chain analytic platform showed that whale transactions worth over $100,000 rose to 173 on 12 November. Based on details from sentiment, this was the highest Uniswap witnessed in months, while the transactions worth around $1 million and more were only two. One cannot ignore the influence of the six-figure transaction. Although the $100,000 whale transaction had decreased to 24 at the time of writing, Uniswap maintained a grip on its bullish momentum. Despite that, the volume seemed inactive in the quest for more uptake. At press time, Uniswap had lost 54% of its 24-hour trading volume, bringing the value down to $187.55 million. This decrease implied that the Uniswap token transactions within the network had significantly fallen off, including losses and profit. Apart from the volume drop, the weighted sentiment opted when in the opposite direction. Data from sentiment showed that Uniswap weighted sentiment had exited the low of 1.122, with the metric rising to 1.117. Uniswap was core asset logged by investors across social network of the attention. It was no guarantee that Uniswap would remain in the bullish zone. And let's go for the second news, and I got this news from the findbowl.com. So I just want to give this credit to findbowl.com, and the heading it's three crypto tips from the Wolf of Wall Street, J. Belfort, on how to survive crashing market. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing one of the longest downturns, with investors focusing on a possible price bottom. Amid the lingering market uncertainty, investors are also looking for means to navigate the condition in anticipation of the future rally. Indeed, former stockbroker, commonly known as the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, has previously shared tips on handling the market in phase of high volatility. Findbowl has therefore compiled the following key tips by Belfort on navigating the market correction. The investor has maintained that Bitcoin is a long-term store of value and can generate returns after at least 3 years. According to Belfort, Bitcoin has strong fundamentals that make it more attractive in the long term. Notably, as reported by Findbowl, Belfort asserted the Bitcoin is bound to keep rising, while acknowledging he was wrong on his initial projection of the asset going back to zero. And let's go for the third news, and I got this news from the Daily Hodl. And so I just want to give this credit to the dailyhodl.com, and the heading is Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary says FTX investment went to zero, needs one thing to happen before touching crypto again. Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary has revealed that his investment in FTX International has gone to zero, and that he doesn't want to make any more capital allocation to crypto until one thing happens. In an interview with the CNBC, O'Leary, a former paid spokesperson for FTX, says that institutional investors like himself won't be engaging in crypto investment until regulations are set to prevent the next FTX meltdown. And he said, "Yes, I am shareholder of FTX International. That's a zero. It's not a first time. I have made a bad investment. Probably not the last time, but luckily, I make more good ones than bad ones, and I learn from my mistake. What's going to happen now is there won't be another situation like this for institutional investor ever again. We are simply not going to put capital to work until this stuff gets regulated. What is occurring, and I am just one voice in it. What I am going to be doing is I am going to fly to Washington, and I want to regulation. I want to know no more delaying. I think this puts pressure on the SEC. It's a U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The venture capital says he is not touching crypto again until U.S. official pass the Stablecoin Transparency Act, which he believes is the capital first step to regulatory clarity in the space. The Stablecoin Transparency Act was proposed by Senator Bill and aims to enact a certain reporting requirement for stablecoin issues. And let's go for the last news. And I got this news from the dailyhodl.com. So I just want to give this to dailyhodl.com. And the heading is Bitcoin bull Anthony Pompliano says confidence is now over for crypto industry. Long-term Bitcoin supporter and entrepreneur Anthony Pompliano says that people in the crypto space are underestimating just how much damage has has been done to the industry following the collapse of FTX and its associated Pompliano tells his 1.6 million Twitter followers that following the FTX uh, debacle, the crypto industry as a whole is now centered in the eyes of institutional investors. Based on my conversation over the last 24 hours, people are underestimating how much damage has been done this week to institutional interest in the sorry both Bitcoin and the broader crypto ecosystem. Bitcoin will not only survive, but it will thrive in the coming years, in my opinion. But we shouldn't ignore the fact that this week was a setback for everyone, regardless of what corner of the industry you play in. According to Pompliano, investors have lost confidence in crypto, and now the largest capital pools in the world know the industry isn't ready for showtime. However, Pompliano highlights that the loss of investor morale in the broader crypto ecosystem will push more observers in Bitcoin, drawn by its simplicity and robust architecture. And guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the content for this video, please give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so you will receive same content like this every day. And don't forget to check out our official link of major crypto platform in the description of this video. And I would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. So do comment your thoughts. And please share this video with your friends on social media, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at bobasheesh and also at cryptoikonmedia to learn more about our company. And let me talk about what exactly we do. Cryptoikonmedia is a full service interactive crypto media agency, digital marketing, social media, and branding. And guys, if you want to get 100 USDT, so register on the world biggest crypto exchange Binance and deposit more than $50 into your Binance account. So we will both get 100 USDT cashback as a whole. Thank you once again. Please share this video, please like this video, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you.